Welcome to the NewsRamp Sports Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday evening, June 25th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of sports news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Brera Holdings PLC, NASDAQ BREA, and Toronto Blizzard partnership targets booming $69 billion youth sports market. Brera Holdings PLC, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BREA, has partnered with Toronto Blizzard to focus on developing talent pathways in global soccer. The youth sports market is projected to grow to $69.4 billion by 2030, with sports tourism valued at $91.8 billion in 2021. This partnership aims to expand access to international player development, with plans to connect Blizzard players to clubs in Italy, North Macedonia, Mongolia, and Mozambique. Talent identification camps and European Academy visits are scheduled for summer 2026 or sooner. Brera Holdings, an Ireland-based international holding company, is expanding into youth soccer development through this strategic partnership with Toronto Blizzard Corp.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Sports Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.